So many people think that buying online is full of scam. It is true that there are so many individuals out there that are parading themselves as factories and then suppliers and scamming and frauding people. But I'm here to let you know that our factory is a genuine and authentic manufacturing factory in China. And so if you are dealing with us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, you are not dealing with any fraudster or any scammer. You are dealing with a genuine factory. And so if you look behind me, you see the machines packaged, and then if you turn to this side, you see some of them assembled. You see some of the machines assembled. And so when you go inside there, that is where the finished machines are packaged, ready for shipping. And so if you call us, we will give you quality machine and we will stand with you till you accomplish your mission for buying the machine from us. So the quality is assured and genuineness is also assured, and then also high productivity is also assured. So call us and let's give you good machine.